About Kiwi Bird. Kiwi is a unique and curious bird. It is a native to New Zealand. There are 5 species of kiwi. It has wings, but it cannot fly. Its wings are very small and hidden within its feathers. It has long legs and beak. It's omnivores, which means it eats a bit of everything. It cannot see well but can hear very well. A female kiwi lays an egg that is 15 to 22% of her weight. It can live up to 50 years in wild. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more latest videos. Thanks for watching.